Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to service your Nissan Juke. Regular maintenance is crucial for keeping your vehicle in top condition and ensuring its longevity. We'll cover essential checks and replacements that you can perform, helping you save money and maintain your Juke's performance. This guide will empower you to understand your car's needs better, ensuring a safer and more reliable driving experience for many years to come. Let's start with essential fluid checks. Your engine oil should be checked regularly, ideally every few weeks, to ensure it's at the correct level and not too dark. Also, verify your brake fluid and power steering fluid levels. These are vital for safe driving. Don't forget to top up your coolant and windshield washer fluid to keep your systems running efficiently. These simple checks can prevent major problems down the road. Next, let's focus on your tires and brakes, which are critical for safety. Check your tire pressure monthly. The correct pressure is usually found on a sticker inside your driver's door jamb. Also, inspect your tire tread depth for wear indicators, ensuring good grip on the road. For brakes, listen for any squealing or grinding sounds and visually inspect your brake pads for wear. Addressing these issues promptly is very important. Finally, let's talk about filters and some general tips. Your engine air filter should typically be replaced every 12,000 miles or annually, whichever comes first, to ensure clean air for your engine. The cabin air filter, which improves air quality inside your car, is often replaced annually. Always remember to consult your Nissan Juke's owner's manual for the most accurate and specific service schedule recommendations. Happy driving!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.